Hey guys! In today's video, I want to show you how to insert an interactive Google map into your website using some simple HTML. This is very useful if you want your customers to know the address of your business. Let's see how to do it. First of all, you need to go to Google Map and search for the address you want to insert. In my case, I will search for a McDonald's. I will choose this one for the example. Just click it and click the Share button. Now you will see two options. We will be using the Embed a Map option. This is the code you will need to paste into your HTML file to embed the Google Map. You can choose between small, medium, or big map, or you can also create a custom-sized map. In my case, I will choose a custom one, and I will specify the exact size. Now we can preview it right here, so we can see how it looks like. Let's copy the HTML code of this map and go to any text editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any. This is the HTML code I have. It has a very simple header and footer, so it doesn't look empty. It has some CSS too, just to give it some style. I will run it so you can see how it looks like. To run an HTML file, just drag the file directly to your browser. This is how it looks like. I will be adding the map right here. Now just go to the HTML file and paste it. That's it. Now if we save the file and refresh the website, the changes will be applied and you can see the map right here. To make it look better, I will add the center tag so it will display at the center of the website. That's it. Now we can use this interactive Google Map and even view the larger map so it will redirect us to Google Maps. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.